Today, somewhere in your hybrid digital infrastructure, you need to do something. You wisely determined that you need DCIM software. Now, how do you find the right one? Do you buy something that just works okay today? Or do you get a solution that will grow with you, grow with changing technologies? We know you're smart and the top of your class, so what are the things you need to consider when picking the right DCIM software for you and your organization? First, you find out what the industry leaders have installed and are using. Look for a solution deployed in complex environments. This solution will have been tested and hardened so you never have to worry. It should be highly scalable, that supports hundreds of thousands of racks, servers, and MAC addresses without performance restrictions. You may never grow to that size, but you can be sure you won't break it either. It should collect a lot of data and have an accessible, easy-to-use data warehouse. DCIM will become the single source of truth, aggregating and brokering information with other IT, building, and finance systems. You don't have enough hands and eyes to physically track every asset as it's installed, moved, or upgraded, so choose a solution that automates the discovery of assets, continually updates the data warehouse, mapping devices, workloads, and their network connections. And let's not forget about you. An industry-leading solution means you'll have ample talent you can hire. And better still, you'll have a resume skill set that you can leverage to promote yourself. Next, it needs to support your long-term growth plans today and have a proven roadmap. Look for out-of-the-box user-driven functionality that is powerful, scalable, and accessible. A DCIM implementation is a journey, and the right solution lets you evolve your infrastructure management strategy as you need it. While whiz-bang widgets and preset reports are fun and sexy, they can box you in. A simple, short-term solution will cost you more money and frustration in the long run, needing third-party developers, internal IT support, and expensive professional services. Your data center is a complex world with hundreds of protocols, vendors, and systems. The DCIM software you choose needs to support everything, while supporting tools your organization standardizes on, such as reporting engines. The system should support a large ecosystem of technology partners delivering out-of-the-box connectors to industry-leading BI tools, including BMS, ITSM, and virtualization services, to provide a comprehensive API for complete access to all functionality of the DCIM services. Of course, security must be considered in choosing a DCIM solution. The data center is part of the critical infrastructure of your organization and constantly at risk. To avoid introducing risk, the solution needs to run on a non-proprietary operating system and database. It should have third-party certifications that validate the safety of the installed software, and secure site installations should be validated. The last thing in the list to evaluate is the roadmap and solution's ability to evolve. The roadmap should not just be bug fixes. It should show advancements and the adoption of changing technologies and the architecture of hybrid digital infrastructure management. Nlyte is the DCIM solution chosen by the largest, most sophisticated organizations on the planet. It has the most functionality for today and tomorrow. Nlyte DCIM is delivered on an open, standards-based platform. Its security is tested and validated by third-party organizations, and Nlyte DCIM software delivers future technology today with the most extensive user-based roadmap in the industry. For more information, visit nlyte.com.